washer fluid spraying out from underneath the hood.
How is that possible?
If you look right here, see the washer hose is broken? Right where it flexes with the hood. I bought this fancy kit off of Amazon. You get all these different sizes for the vacuum fittings. And I think it's going to be something like this. Or this is what's going to work here. I don't know where or if there is a place where you can buy just an individual splice like this. So I just bought this kit. I'm sure I'll use it probably 2 more times in the next 30 years. So I'll hold on to it the rest of my life. It should come in handy. Alright, so I'm gonna use splice right here. Try to more size. Put this splice right in there. Oh, that's not a... It's a tight fit. I'm gonna disconnect this little clip right here to give myself a little more room. Give myself just a hair. Oh. Alright. Just gonna put a couple zip ties on there. Just a little added securement. It's a tight fit and I probably don't need to do this, but those. That back in its hole. There we go. All right. Now move this. There. She's working now. Perfect.